Okay guys, let's quickly look at this one. This is PSSD N3, Boilermaker Drawing N3, planting and structural drawing, figure 3. So this one, so figure 3, the question is on the other side. So the question says figure 3, diagram sheet 1 attached to show two views of a hopper used in a furniture manufacturing factory. In a furniture manufacturing factory. So draw 3.1. Draw the given views of this particular hopper. 3.2. Develop the shape of the plate required to make this particular hopper. 3.3. Develop the template for the kink and give its give the kink angle in degrees. So you have to use what? A reduction scale of 1:10. So all these should be given 25 marks. So the start 1:10. This is it. 1:10 using a scale 1:10. So I'm using a used paper. I'm actually using a used paper. So I'll simply start with the what to call just a horizontal constructional line like this. Let me guess, I think it's better. Just a horizontal constructional line that's going to be like this. Then from there I can just draw a perpendicular one just like this. Okay, so I'm going to say this corner is actually that one. Understand? So I'm gonna go this side with 500 divided by 10, which means it's 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. Like as I've said that I'm using a used paper since I'm running short of drawing sheet. Okay, so the 50 millimeter, the 50 is ending right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go down with what? With 600. So 600 divided by 10 is 60. This is 60. So from here till here is the 500. From here till here is the 60. So which means I can draw this line dark from here till right there. Okay, I've drawn this one already, which is that one, isn't it? Okay, so from here till here is how much? Is 60 again. Okay, simply get the horizontal constructional line. So that goes. Then from there I can get the biggest, which is that one. I draw it. Then after the 60 I can draw the vertical constructional line again. Okay, then from there where are we? From here to here is that one. So let's get to this one. So this one 650 divided by 10, which means it's 65, and then 65 divided by 2. 65 divided by 2. You understand? So it's 32.5. 32.5. I'll simply record the 20 and the 10. There's the 20. Then from the where 20 ends, I'll record the 32 now. 30, 31, 32, 32.5, and what? 65, which is right here. Then from there I can have this one as a center and have this one constructional line. Okay, then from there what I can do now, say okay, this one I can have them solid. That goes. This one I can have it solid. That goes. Then from there I come and say 420 divided by 10 is 42. Then 42 divided by 2 which is 21. So this is 20. This is 20 and 21. So I mark it 42 and I mark it 0. Let me see. 21 isn't. So 42 and 0, 21. Yes, actually it's right track. So that from here till here is 42. The 42. From here till here is 41, 41, 42. Okay, that's it. Then after that, you can just have a horizontal construction line and another horizontal construction line. Okay, then after that, what I can do now, I can take my protractor. We are told if we're given the length of this one from here to here, would have not even used this angle of 100 degrees, or else we're given a length from here to here, would have not used this one. But then since we are not given, we have to do this. Take our protractor and do what? Just extend this line a little bit. Faint line, just a little bit like this. Then I align my protractor using what? Placing it at 0 there, at 0. Aligning it 0 to 0, and then this is 90 degrees, which is going to be the line perpendicular against this one when it's 90. But I'm looking for 100. This is 90, 95, then 100, which is that one. Understand? So which is that one? Get it nicely again. Which is 95, 100 millimeter. Isn't it? Then I can join this point with where I just mark 100 millimeter, which is this one. You understand? Then from there, I can then record the 42, the 420 divided by 10, which is this one, 42, 42, which is right here. Then from there, I take this one and join it to that point. Simple, straightforward. So that goes. That goes. Then I take this one, join it to this one. That goes. So in other words, we've gotten our front view complete. So now take this point vertically down so that I'll know that, okay, start from here to right there, and then take this one from here to right there, from here to right there, then from here to right there, from here to right there. Amen. Then I come down and take this point vertically down again. That goes, it's going to be solid from here to right there, and from here to right there, from here to right there. So I can now have this one solid to right there, solid from here to right there. You understand? So you can come and take a closer look now at your given top. You can actually see from here to the hidden, from here to you can see it clearly from here to the hidden. So do the same thing here. From here, solid, then hidden. So that is it. So the cutting plane. The cutting plane, they're saying is here X, X, and there by your top, your X, it should be right here. It's given. It's given. And they're saying here, it's your what? It's your king. Yeah. Okay. So this is 100. Opening this side, 100 degrees. Okay, so we can start to develop then. Understand? So before we start, I'll decide to say this is my point A, simple A. This would be my point B. This would be my C. This would be my what? D. You understand? So I've got A, B, C, D anti-clockwise. Okay, so now I come and make this point 1 to say this is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3, this is my point 4. You understand? So let's have the very same numbering system in our front now, because this is the front view, this is the what? This is the top view. You understand? So the B, it should be in the same point with C. So the A, it should be right here with the point, with the same point D. You understand? How about the numbering? So your 1, it should be up there now in the same point with 4. And so the 2, it should be up there in the same point with 3. You understand? So the cutting plane, there it is. You understand? So Mina, what I normally used to say, I'll start my development right opposite to the what? To the cutting plane. You understand? So how? Simply place my drawing compass at this point, further extend it to here. I'm looking for the what you call the true length diagram of mine now. Then once I touch this bottom part of our front, I can just have a vertical constructional line. Vertical constructional line. Understand? After I've gotten that, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna can simply say this is my medium point 1. Understand? Okay. Then I'll come and extend it. I'll remove this one a bit now. Just horizontal. Just a little bit, and be like, this is my median point 2. You understand? This is my median point 2. Then that one, it should be my R. Okay. This paper is old, man. I'm using a used paper, but I hope you can still able to see. Understand? I hope you can still able to see. Okay, so this is our complete front, this is our complete top. So remember, the set express the full development and the angle of the king. Then you shall be rewarded with 25 marks. Okay, so just extend this line R of yours just a little bit like this. Then from there, take my drawing compass. I'll come and place it where at the center of BC, which is this one, there by our top, at the center of BC. Place it here. Further extend it to the center of 2, 3. This is it. Understand? This is it. Now, without disturbing my drawing compass, I come and place it at R. Then I mark. Understand? So this is the height, which is BC. That goes BC. Once it touch there, goes horizontal. Further extend to 2, 3. So there is the 2, 3. Once it touch there, goes horizontal. So which means by tracing them like this, I will know that I'll have to use what? I'll have to use my M1. So now I'll take it to my M1 from here to M1. So there it goes. You understand? So this is it. Then while down here, I come and figure out a space that, okay, my development is going to fit here. so I want it to fit here. Take away the calculator now, I don't need it since my drawing table is small. Just come down here and have a horizontal constructional line, just the horizontal constructional line, and a center that is perpendicular against this horizontal line, like this. Okay, so remember this one, I place it where? At center of BC to center of 2, 3, isn't it? Then after that, like this, then after that I place it here, isn't it? I place it to my true length diagram, which is this one. Understand? So which means this one is a center to center. Understand? Okay, now I come back and place it where? At point B, further at the center, further extended to point B, which is this one. Now without it disturbing my drawing compass, then I come to my development, I place it here, I mark this side and I mark this side. Then I can draw it dark, this one. Have it dark from here, from here till here. I want. So I'll come and say this is what? This is B, this is C. Exactly the way I see it. So we didn't take it to our true length. We didn't convert anything there. Okay, so now from center to center, now what do I do? Let me use the small one since I'll be fast. Place it at this point, further extend it to your midpoint point. Just that one. So this is it. Without disturbing your drawing compass, come and place it at your center. Then mark. Where I just mark now, what I'm gonna do, I'll just have a horizontal constructional line. Make it just a little bit faint. Understand? So now can come and place it where now? At the center to point 2. And you know that is the same as to point 3, isn't it? Center to point 2. This is it. Now I'll come and place it here at the center. I mark this side. Also mark this side. So that now I can have this one dark from here to right here. Dark from here to right there. So I can erase this one and erase this one just a little bit. Okay, so now I can have this one from here to C solid, have this one from here to B solid. So I can come and say this is my point B2, which means 2, then C3, which means 3. Understand? So another method of proving this that is correct like this is to come and have what? An imaginary line from B to 3. This line must be the same as C to 2. Understand? And come and place your drawing compass at B to what? To 3, which is the same as C to 2. Which is the same as C to 2. Now you come and place it at your R. There it goes. Understand? There it goes. Once it touched there, this is going to be what? This is going to be B and C, which is B3 and C2. And you have to direct them to what? To M1. M1. So that's another way of doing this. So whatever way you might prefer, understand, of your starting point. So C1, which is this one. So there it goes, C1. So now take a drawing compass, take the bigger one. So place it at B3, C2, further extend it to M1, which is this one. There it goes. Now without disturbing the drawing compass, you come and place it at C, You see that it's still exactly at 0.2, and which means B, you see that it's exactly at 0.3, which means I can have them down like this. There it goes, and there it goes. So which means, my brother, you have started. You remember how did I start it? If you saw my starting point, I started by getting the center to center. Then I just took it the way as it is. So you can still start it by getting A, B, C, C2. By getting B, C, C2. After I've gotten it, getting B, C, C3. You understand? So whatever way you might prefer. But myself, I prefer the way I've started because it's simple and accurate and faster, quicker. You understand? Okay, so now I've already gotten the B. I'm actually tracing from my top, B, 2, 3, C, isn't it? So I can now place it at B to A, and I know that B to A is the same as C to D. This is it. This is it. This is it. Then I don't convert. Remember, it's alphabet to an alphabet. But alphabet to a number, that's where I'm converted to. I'm converting it to my true length diagram. But alphabet to an alphabet, I do not convert. Number to a number, I also do not what? Convert. So this is C, D, which is the same as B, A, isn't it? So which means I can strike it both sides. So I strike an arc this side, and I also strike an arc this other side. You understand? So along this arc I must be getting D, along this arc I must be getting point what? A. Okay, so since I'm now having point what? Point A, point what? Point B, 2, C, 3. I can also come and place my drawing compass point at point 2, point 2, 2 to 1, which is the same as 3 to 4. Then now I come and place it here. Then I strike this arc again, and come and place it at 3. Then I strike this arc again. You understand? Okay, so C to 4 and B to 1. So what do I do next? I come and place it at B, which is this one, B to 1. Do you see that now moving from a number to an alphabet? B to 1 is the same as C to 4. I'm getting. So now, without disturbing my drawing compass, come and place it at R. Then I mark. So what is this one? This is B what? B1 as well as C4. Understand? So double check this one now. So which M number should I use? So this is B and the C, isn't it? Once it touches the bottom of your front view, goes horizontal. So now being directed to 1 and being directed to 4. So it goes up, up, up once it touches there, which means I have to use M2. So construct it to your M2. So there it goes. Understand? Then from there, place it here, M2. Just to repeat, further ascend to M2, which is this one. Then now, which is this one. Then now, without disturbing the drawing compass, come and place it at C and bisect that arc, and B and bisect that arc. Understand? So where they're bisecting each other, that's going to be my point what? B1, C4. So I can construct it, build it up now. So 2 to 1, 3 to 4, and B to 1, C to 4. Then now I can now say 1 to A, which is we have to get it along this arc, and 4 to D, which we have to get it along this arc. How? Come back to your 12 take a drawing compass, then place it where? At 4 to D or 1 to A. Still one and the same thing. It's the same as 1 to A. Be careful. 1 to A, which is this one. 1 to A without disturbing it. Come and place it at R. Now, a mark here. What is this one? This is A, 1 and D, 4. 1 and D4. So A that goes and to touch the bottom part of my front goes horizontal, isn't it? So which means I'll have to use 1 and 4, which means I have to use M2. M2. Then take it here to M2. So there it goes. Okay. Then from there, this one I can erase it. I don't need it this much long anymore now. Okay. Then from here, place my drawing compass here. Further extend it to my M2, which is this one. Now without disturbing it, I come to my development. Place it at 1. Then I bisect this arc. Place it at 4. Then I what? Bisect this arc. Understand? So now 4 to this arc, B to that arc, which is going to be our point what? A. Then 4 to the arc. Remember, not this one, this one. Be careful, my brother. 4. So this one has to be the exactly here. So not here, exactly here. So fix that. So this is going to be point D. You understand? Okay, this is what we have now. Then after that, what I'm gonna do now, I would then move from 1 to X. Let me get the X set point here. Which is that one. So place it here. 2 to what? 2.1, which is the same from here to 4. Then come and place it at 1. Then just strike an arc here. This one don't need it this much long. Strike an arc there. Like this. Even this side, place it here. Strike an arc from here to here. Okay, so along this arc I have to get an X. You understand? So I have to use A to X and D to X, which means I must come and say I have a imaginary line again from D to X, which is the same as X to A. This line of mine, which is supposed to be the same as X to A. So place it at D to A, which is the same as A to X, isn't it? Remember, it's D to X. Yes. So it's this one. So without disturbing it, come and place it at R, then I mark. So this one, this is D, X and A, X. This is X, X. Then I have to, that goes, which means it's M2. Which means I have to take it to my M2. Which is M2. Then from there, M2 to my DX AX like this. Then now I come and place it at D. I bisect this arc, place it at A. I bisect that arc. So that's going to be my X and X. Understand? So I can now say here when A be directed to X, and it will never be a straight line from 2 to X. When 0.4 directed to X, it will never be a straight line from 3 to X again. Never. So A to X and D to X. Then from there, what to do next? And then now take a drawing compass again, place it at D to the bottom X now, which is this one. Do I have to convert? No. Come and place it at A, strike an arc this side at D, strike an arc this side. So remember, X to A is the same as X to D, isn't it? Strike an arc this side. Then from there, place it at X to X. It's good as if you're placing it here till there by your front view. So there is a height concept there, isn't it? So it's X to X, which is this one. Now come and place it here, which is very close to that one, and be directed toward to M1. M1. Like this. So there it goes. Then from there, A, R to XX from here to M1. And now come and place it here, further extend it to M1. This is it. Now I come to my development, place it here. Then I bisect the arc, place it here. Then I bisect the arc. So from X now to X, which is X here, which is X that one. Then X to X and X to X. Right there. So we are done with our development. So you can still confirm that when you're placing it at X to 1, is it the same thing?